that is 40% difference. And 1100 and 1500, there is a 400. 400 divide by 40. Value 60% value, if you are calculating, then you will get 600, right? And if you will convert it into 100%, then you will get 1000 rupees. So variable is 600 and 1000, like this. This is a variable. Remaining 1100 minus 600, you will get 500. 1500 minus 1000, that is 500 again. So 500 here, 500 here. That means it is fixed, like 4000 and 4000. It is fixed. Getting it? मल्टीप्लाइड 60% पे लिखना है. आप 100% पे भी लिख लो. 100% पे लिखोगे तब भी वही आएगा. कार एंड फ्यूल के केस में 1600 and 2000, that again 400. 400 40% पे 600 will be 1600 minus 600. 1000 will be fixed, right? 1000 will be fixed. Nishant, you are right. Sakshi, 2000 minus 1600 divided by 1000 minus 600. No. Sakshi, no. What you all want to do? Right, Sakshi, you are correct. Till here you are correct. Further, you will proceed with, you will get 400 divided by 40%. You will convert into 60% or 100%. Whatever amount, both the cases you will get, that will be fixed one. जो आप दोनों जगह पे सेम पाएंगे वो अमाउंट विल बी फिक्स्ड, और जो दूसरी वाली अमाउंट होगी वो हमारी क्या होगी, वेरिएबल होगी. तो वेरिएबल को कन्वर्ट करेंगे एंड उसमें फिक्स्ड में ऐड कर देंगे, तो आपका सेमी वेरिएबल बन जाएगा. लाइक आई एम टेकिंग एग्जांपल ऑफ 80% नाउ. वी हैव टू सॉल्व एट 80%. So we were very much clear that 1600 on par and 2000, 1000 was fixed. So 600 was वेरिएबल कॉस्ट पर यूनिट. नो, फॉर्मूला मत बनाओ शिक्षा, यहाँ पे फॉर्मूला ही गड़बड़ हो जाएगा अदरवाइज. 1600, सी वी आर कन्वर्टिंग इट इनटू 80%. 1600 minus 1000 fixed, that is 600. 600 value on 60% divide by 60, because 60% की वैल्यू है इसमें. 1000 हमारा फिक्स्ड आ गया था, 600 वैल्यू हो गई 60 की, तो हमें 80 पे कन्वर्ट करना है. इंटू 80 कर दो, कितना आया? 800 प्लस 1000, दैट इज 1800. आई गेस 1800 किसकी? पावर एंड फ्यूल की. चेक. 800 पावर एंड 1800 टोटल. एक बार टाइप कर दूं, फिर से चेक कर लो. 1000 फिक्स समझ में आ गया था शिवांगी? मेंटेनेंस अगेन 1000 and 1500. There was 500 fix, right? 6. Take this example. 500 fixed, 1000 was fixed. Voice not clear? Did you get your answer or not? Do I need text? Okay, please repeat. Fine. Okay. I'll not move, don't worry. We got it. Ma'am, continue. Sushma, let me explain once more. See, 10 is 1100, 1500. Shubhangi, and many of you, जिनको जिनको नहीं समझ में आया, please copy pen उठा लीजिए, so that I can explain it better in a better way. Now is clear, Lokesh? Great. 1100 and 1500. The difference is 400, right? 60% and 100%, that is 40%, right? 400 divided by 40 into 60%. Ma'am, I have not created the formula. It is a formula for variable cost. Okay, Siksha, great. Sorry. If we'll talk about 60%, then you will get 600. If we'll talk about 100%, you'll get 1000. So this is a variable. In this, 1100 minus 600, that is 500 is fixed. And 1500 minus 1000, you will get 1000 fixed again. Now convert it into 80%. So 600, 6 is the value of 60%. Value of 50% will be 800. 800 plus 500, that is 1300. So here 1300 is given. This is clear to you all. Yes. Shall I proceed now? Shubhangi, is it clear, beta? One thousand is the total cost at 100% for repair. Anisha, in this question you are talking about repair is not given in this question. We 60.33. 3300 divided by 5.50. I guess so. Is it? 3300 divided by 5.50. That is 60. 16. 833 is the variable fixed, or variable is this, total cost is this. 400 divided by 40 into 100, right? Right, Shivangi? Here you are right. Please do this for 100% only. रेस्ट कंफ्यूज हो जाओगे, 100% की वैल्यू पे ही लिखना. 60 लिख रहे हो तो इंटू 60 होगा. ठीक है. ओके. Shall I where was that? We have done this question number 12. 13 you can solve by your own. There is nothing to tell you. Next is same as third one, right? So we are leaving this. I'm moving toward standard costing. Shall I? Okay, great. Standard costing is the preparation and use of standard cost, their comparison with actual cost, and measurement and analysis of variance of their causes and point of incidence. Standard. Whatever I can say this it is a technique which uses theory. हम खुद पढ़ लेंगे. Great, Ashu. Great. Do I need to explain it, or I move? Okay, great. Moving towards. Please ask your doubt from theory tomorrow. I'll proceed. Very true. I'll proceed with the numerical portion. Otherwise, it will be. You can read by your own. There is nothing important to tell you as a numerical problem comes in the examination. Okay, proceed. See, in the question of marginal costing, we have a formula, set formula. Yes, we're going to explain that only. Like, if I'll talk about first one, materially, SQ into SP, that is the standard cost quantity into standard price. RSQ RSQ is basically actual quantity at a standard cost into standard price. This third one is AQ into SP, that is actual quantity into standard price. Fourth is AQ into AP, that is actual quantity at actual price. So if you'll notice this, that SP we use here, we use here, we use here. Okay. And AQ we use here, AQ we use here, and SQ we use here. RSQ is actual quantity at a standard cost. Proportion में divide होता है. That is why it is there. So formula will become 1 minus 2, 2 minus 3, 3 minus 4, 1 minus 3, 1 minus 4. So for like cost variance 1 minus 4, price 3 minus 4, usage 1 minus 3, mix is 2.2 minus 3, sub usage or yield variance is 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2, 2 minus 3, 1 minus 3, 3 minus 4, 1 minus 4. Wi-Fi connection creates some trouble, so that why. Okay, Lokesh, no problem. Labor cost, SR into SH, that is standard rate. Here we were having SQ, that is standard quantity. Material we have quantity, labor we have hours. Labor hour into standard hour into standard rate into standard hour, standard rate actual hour at standard hours into standard rate, RSH into SR, SR, that is the standard rate. RSH is actual hour at standard hours. Please write it somewhere on your paper so you'll not confuse. In two number, it is actual hour at standard hour. Or in material, actual quantity at standard quantity. Okay. Standard rate actual hour. So minus 3 minus 4, 2, 3, 3, 4. 1 minus 3, 1 minus 4. Q replace H. Quantity replace hours. P replace R. Price replace rate. P and R is the same thing, but Q and H will be replaced. Ram. In case of material, we use quantity. In case of labor, we work on hours. As in labor, we use hours. Why we are calculating RSH? Why are calculated RSH? There is a formula for this that we are doing the same. How we do RS actual quantity at standard quantity. 1 minus 3, 3 minus 4, 1 minus 4. Gang yield, efficiency, rate, cost. आप प्लीज इस फॉर्मूले को गलत मत करिएगा, अदरवाइज सब गलत आएगा इसमें. Budget use separate formula, so I'm not going to explain budget here with this formula. I'll explain you in very easy way. Value price variance is very easy. Moving toward this uniform costing is very important one. Please read it. Uniform price. Costing. Costing you are so here 40%, 25%, 20%, and 15% given in the question, and 80% total cost you have occurred 870, 50, 690. So you calculate 395. Okay. Again, you are having 628 return on capital 430, 350, 430.
यार मैं यहाँ पे
सुन लो आपने कहीं आठ लेक्चर पूरा मिस हो गया.
Sunita, please mute yourself. Okay, great. Fine. What we do it here, weighted average cost on capital employed, that will come. 463. We'll add 793 and 463. That will become 1256. What we do here, it is total production and total fair price method. Total production cost is 850 and total price on capital employed is 628. Fair price will come 1480. That is combination of 850 and 628. No. Great. So we continue with standard costing now. We have a question of standard costing: 40%, 200, 60%, 300 cost. This 200 and 300 is what? SR, standard rate or standard price, you can say, whatever you want to do. A standard loss is 10%, 90% during a period they used. Used is actual one. 90 ton you used as an actual cost, 180. 90, 110. So see, if I'll move from this, my voice is breaking. Now it is clear. I hope I'm audible to everyone. Am I? Yes. Great. What we'll do here, it is actually 90 into 180, 110 into 340. Sum will be 53,600. This will come in AQ into AP. That is actual quantity into actual rate. That is 53,600. Okay. Table it is 1, 2, 3 and 4. What we have learned in formula. 1 is this, 2 is this, 3 is this, 4 is this. We'll solve, then we'll put. First we will solve this, then this, then this. But actually value is this. Okay? हम पीछे से इसलिए चल रहे हैं कि ये सारे चीजें गिवन है क्वेश्चन में. This is given. 90 into 180, 110 into 340. So it is 53,600. Okay? Actual quantity 90 into 190 and 110. Actual price is 200 and 300. So it is 51,000. Okay. Total we are using 90 and 110, that is 200. The standard cost of a certain chemical mix is 40% and 60%. 200 into 40%, that is 80. 200 into 60%, that is 120. So 200 into 3, that is 52,000 you will get, and put it here. Okay. Then standard quantity. If I'll talk about the standard cost quantity, then we have a standard loss of 10%. 200, 10% loss, that is 180 you are getting. And actually you are producing 182 ton. That is this. So you'll use the formula of, put it 180 here. It is wrong. This 80 is wrong. 180. 1 is missing here. 80. This 80 divided by 180 after loss into 180 to actually produce. So you'll get 80.88 units. Same in this case, 120 divided by 180 into 182. That will be 121.33. Into 300. So it will be 52,578. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Value comes, put into the formula, you'll get the answer. Please take 1 minute and right. I hope it is clear to everyone. Yes. I'm proceeding toward next question. Yes, we do, Ramaya. We do. No, no marks will be deducted. RSQ is the standard quantity of actual, right? In, into total actual quantity. Actual quantity 90 into 110, that is 200. Proportionate 40 and 60. So we'll get 80 and 120 into actual standard rate, that is 52,000. So it is 52,000. Shall we proceed further? Okay, great. Moving toward next question. This is an important one. This is actually important in this question. 50, 600, 60, 125 and 100 kg. What we do here in this question, that is 20%. Prices is given in both the cases. So here, every batch of 100 kg, okay, 120 are produced from the output. So one of raw material is breaking. Ashu, where you are talking about 500 hoga? See, this. Yes. Okay. Let us check. Right. It will be five. Yes. Because 700 and remaining was 500. How come 125 kg into 60 batches, that is 7,500. It is not 1,000. Okay, great. Continue with this. 7,500, 60%, 20%, 20%. This will be actual. So 4,500, 1,500, 1,500 into 21, 8, 6. That will come 1,15,500. This is first one. We multiplied with the standard rate, that is 20, 10, 5. 20, 10, 5. So we'll get 1,12,500. From back, moving RSQUQSP, that is 7,500 total quantity, proportionate That is 1,05,000. You will get here. Um, if we'll solve this, 3750 divided by 6,000 into 5,600, you will get 3,500, 100 and 1,400. You will multiply with 20, 10, 5, you will get 98,000. Please put the value. It's actually written wrong. RSQSP will be putting it here and SQ into SP will be putting it here. Table is wrong. So interchange these two terms into this, as we are doing in this case. Okay, we'll get the value of 1, 2, 3, 4. We put it into the formula. Okay. Moving towards question number 4. Marking casting on a machine of companies 70%, 30%. Standard price is 2,400, 650. 5% input. Commencing stock 160. Finished stock this. Purchase this. Purchase formula will be purchase opening stock plus purchases minus closing stock. You will get the actual cost. So 290 and 110 into how we will get 650 is the price of zinc and 2,400 is the price for 2,400 is for copper. So 100 2,40,000 is given. 60 3,90,000 is given. For 300 into 2,400 you will get 7,32,500. For 100 into 650 that is 62,500. Is this correct? Something is wrong there. Sixty 62,500 is given. Okay. Opening stock is 100 into 2,400. Okay. Opening stock is 60 into 650. 110 closing stock will be 2,400 multiplied by 2,400. 50 into 650. You will get the value the table. Cases value is given, so we'll consider that. 290 and 110 will come. Moving toward next. First, actual will come from 290 total 7,08,500 and 69,000. You'll get 77,500. This is the value of 77,500. 290 and 110 you will get prices 2,400 and 650. You will put it here 24,650. You will get 67,67,500. In case of RSQSP, what we will do? It is actual quantity, that is 400 into 70 30%. Here we are doing this 70 and 30%, 7,50,000. We put it here. Now SQSP, that 400 380 की value, so 375 की value will be 276.31 is 380. So what will be the value of 375? It will be 118.42. multiplied by standard price, you'll get 7,40,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we'll solve further. Am I clear? This is an important one for final examination. Question number 5. For if I have not seen this in intermediate, this is final level question. Sharing again. Something with you all. Of this. Easy. It is easy. We will solve this 18,000 tiles. How this is going to be solved? It is difficult one. It is easy one. Further, there is no difficulty. Okay, I'm going to tell more picture of this. Champion of the class, great. Anything is visible to you in like form is visible to you on? Great. 1 feet is equals to 12 inch. 1 square feet is equals to 12 into inches is equals to 12 into 12 into 12,000. Please zoom. Now is this clear? यहाँ पे लिखा है 1/2. This is written in the book, Ashu. And it is in, I'm solving this in another way. So 12 feet into 8 feet, 2/3 square. Yeah, yes. 1/2. X is equals to 28,000 into into 12,000. It is given in question 12,000. 12 into 12 square feet. I का size 12 होता है. तो वो size 1/2 thickness. How the size will cross. And x की value निकालनी है आपको. You'll get the answer of 18,000. Okay. Solve this and write it down. Sorry for interrupting. I study different way. It seems difficult to understand this method. Can I leave the meeting if you are asking, if you are taking this for rest of time? Kya? Ramaya, I'm not going to take this further as it is easier the book one, ma'am. Take it in your way. Whatever you are feeling like, if you are feeling comfortable with your answer, you go ahead. Otherwise, you can write it down in your paper. Why to take x is equals to 18,000? No issue, sir. I'll continue with this. I'm just giving you a formula. I'll continue with that. Shall I remove this now? I hope you all have done. Explain again. 1 feet is equals to 12 inch, right? Archana? All right. 1 feet is equals to 12 inch. 1 square feet is equals to 12 into 12. This is the size of a tile. This is a square feet size 12 into 12. 12,000 is given in the question. The compound should produce 12,000 square feet of tiles, 1/2 of the thickness. So I have taken 12,000 into 1/2. Ma'am sir को बोलो वो और class करवा दें. I'll tell this, don't worry Ashu. I'll write the mail, no problem. Special type of fencing that is given in the question is 12 starting point, 12 feet into 8 feet into half thickness. X is equals to, we got 12 into 12 into 12,000. We got 28 into 1/2. Nishant, I'm going further on labor costing. Then I'll continue with fixed and variable overhead. 12,000 आएगा जो लिखा है वो क्यों करा है मैम? 12,000 इसलिए लिया बेटा क्योंकि 12,000 के अगेंस्ट में ही निकालना है हमें. इंटू 12 एक टाइल की वैल्यू हो गई स्क्वायर फीट की. 12,000 से मल्टीप्लाई किया क्योंकि ये क्वेश्चन में गिवन है. आई एम मूविंग दिस. This is given in the question. Produce 12,000 square. Produce आपको करना है 12,000 square feet of tiles of 1/2 thickness during a period in which 1 lakh tiles of the standard size were produced. Moving toward next. Why we are doing this 18,000? This is actual you are doing. So see. 3,500. Half beta. Half नहीं करना है. Half I'll remove from both the sides. Not clear? Right. Half from this side, half from this side. Will cut. One will come upper hand and then it will 1728 divided by 12 into 8. It will come 18,000. 1728 divided by 12 divided by 8. It will come 18,000. Fine. 18,000 not get 2 by 3 square feet. 12 into this is a mathematical calculator. Not even you face any problem. Hope I'm clear to everyone now. I'll continue with this. 7,000, 3,000 and 5,000. One more time. We'll do tomorrow. Don't worry. I have lot of things to do, beta. Siksha, please explain Ram. After 9. After 9. Okay. Continue with this. 7,000, 3,000, 5,000. 0.32, 0.65, 0.75. This is an actual data. 7940. Okay. 7,000, 3,000, 5,000. Actual quantity into actual rate 30, 60, 70. You'll get this. Fine. Now 7,200, 3,000. Third one, actual quantity, that is 7,200, 3,000. Pick. After this, 7,200, 3,000, 4,800 into actual rate 30, 60, 70. You'll get this. And this 2,000, you will get. How come? That is 1,200 into 1 lakh tiles we are using, divided by 18,000 which we have calculated here. So write it down here. 1,200 divided by 18,000 which you are using here to 1 lakh. Standard size you are producing. You get this. 200 divided by 18,000 into 1 lakh, you'll get this. 800 divided by 18,000 into 1 lakh, you'll get this. 6778 will come. Okay. Shall I proceed further? I hope this is clear to you all. That is 15,000 proportion of 1,200, 500 and 800. That is 15,000 into 1,200 divided by 2,500. 15,000 into 500 divided by 25,000 and 15,000 into 800 divided by 15,000. You'll get this. Actual quantity and standard rate, standard quantity. Move forward next. And easiest one you can do by your own. Again, 7 you can do by your own. I'm coming towards. Give me a minute. दिख रहा है बेटा? दिख रहा है? Okay. Write it down. Okay, Riya, no problem. Before you move, I'll so done. Thank you. Okay, great. Give me a minute. I'm showing you one more picture which is important for you all, that is related to budget, fixed overhead and variable overhead. There is a on budget which will explain you in an easiest way. I have net problem today. Learning curve. Learning curve. Learning curve. Learning curve. Learning curve you can do by your own, Ashu. It is not so much difficult. I think tomorrow I'll take financial management. Downloaded. Great. One more picture I want to show you all. Please write this formula also. Fixed overhead के लिए FO1 is AFOH. Fixed FOH. FO1 actual fixed overhead. FO2 is budgeted fixed overhead. FO3 budgeted fixed overhead into actual days upon budgeted days. FO4 is equals to BFOH, that is budgeted fixed overhead, into actual hours upon actual hours. FO5 BFOH is budgeted fixed overhead into actual production upon budgeted production. I hope this is visible to all. With management and financial management. शिक्षा ओके. एफएम के रेशियो एनालिसिस थ्योरी हम घर में पढ़ लेंगे मैम. थोड़ा राइट को दिखा दीजिए मैम. इंट्रोडक्शन भी घर पे पढ़ लेंगे. आप क्या पढ़ना चाहते हो कल? मुझे ये टॉपिक्स लिख दो. कल हम 2 टॉपिक कवर कर देंगे. आपके कौन से टॉपिक कवर करने हैं ये लिखते लिखते मुझे बता दो. वर्किंग कैपिटल एंड कैपिटल बजटिंग. फाइन. वर्किंग कैपिटल रेशियो, majority, working capital and capital budgeting, cost of capital, working capital. I'll take 2 topic only. Working capital I'll definitely do. Capital structure, Namrata, okay. Ratio is easy, I guess. You can do your own ratio. That we'll do. And one more topic you want to. Capital, okay. Cost of capital is again is easy one. I'll take capital budget and working capital for tomorrow. It is not possible for me to complete 3 subjects. मार्क्स ही स्कोर नहीं हो पाता है. Working capital की and I'll create my part and we'll provide to our ICAI and they will share with you all. So working capital capital we are taking. Ma'am, can you share your WhatsApp number? Naman. I'll talk to ICI, then only I can share it. This is the potential one. Capital budgeting. Yes. Mean, as audience want, that is why I'm CMF, CMM, CMFM. See, you are 100% syllabus. Look, अगर हम नहीं भी कर पाते हैं तो भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है because I have covered 50% and rest 20% I'll cover. 70% I'll do from my side. You can do your own 30%. If you'll cover this 70%, you'll definitely get a marks of 60. I was not aware that otherwise I'll take FM first, then I'll take costing. I was feeling like costing is more tough than FM for me. Budget hours, it will be given in the question. Budgeting day, this is not actual hours. This is budgeted hour, written wrong. B, put B here, in place of A here. This actual hour is correct. Divide by budgeted hours. FO2 or FO3 read कर दीजिए. FO2 is budgeted fixed overhead. FO1 is AFOH, that is actual fixed overhead. FO3 is BFOH into actual days upon budgeted days. FO4 is budgeted fixed overhead into actual hours upon budgeted hours. FO5 is budgeted fixed overhead up into actual production upon budgeted production. Here, VO1, AOH, that is actual overhead. VO2, budgeted fixed overhead into actual hour upon budgeted hour. BFOH, that is budgeted fixed overhead into actual production upon budgeted production. Ria, you are there? Ria. Fine, we'll continue with this. So we are taking working capital budgeting. Pencil क्या है? I moved it. No. जो भी था गया. Anyway, continue with labor costing. And a student, please take care of this so that we can help you in future also. In any subject, if you are feeling like this, You can write it to NIRC ICAMI. They are giving this in this pandemic. It is actually beneficial for you all. To see you again in future. Great. Continue with question 8. The standard labor complement and actual labor paid in a week. Same in this case. Actual 28, 18, 4. 40 hours you are working. 28 into 40, that is 1120, I guess. Multiply it. Check. 720, 160 is coming. Yes, coming. 4 into 3 into 2 is the actual price. We'll multiply this. We'll get 6960. Okay. 32 into 40, 40 hours working per week. Working in the gang, 32 into 40, 12 into 40, 6 into 40. So we'll get 1280, 480 into 40. 60 in first bracket from back. And we have a cost of 321 and 1120 actual 720, 160. We'll put there. 960 is coming. Okay. This is SR age, that is 2000 into 32 divided by 32 plus 12 plus 6. How much? 32 plus 12 plus 6. That is 50. So 2000 into 32 divided by 50. This will be 1280. You will get 5040. You'll put 5040 here. And now turn off SR. Same formula we are using here. 1280 divided by 2000 into we are getting producing 1800 hours. We are actually working on 1800. So 1152 is 1152, 432, 216, 321. We'll multiply with this. We'll get 1152, 432 and 216. Put it there and 1, 2, 3, 4 value will come and we'll continue with the same. Yes. Okay, great. Moving toward 9th question. Okay, done. We'll talk about, this is as easiest. Standard is given here. This is different one and this is different one. So 2 question is given in this. You can solve this your own. Please take 2 minutes and solve this. Two and 1.50 is given, 100.7 and 2.4. This is this. You have 120 and 240. You have 120 and 240 given as an actual. So 120 plus 240. Minu Manjuri. Okay. Moving, shall I move now? Okay, great. This is the question. Before moving question, say, please solve question. The formula which I have given to you, please put it into that and then solve this. We have a FO1. Please write it into your copy. FO1, I'm telling you, actual is 80. No. It cost is 1,68,000, sorry. Write to FO3, FO4, FO5. In front of FO2, write 1,60,000. 3 के सामने लिखिए 1,60,000, 1,60,000, 1,60,000. FO3 चाहिए into actual days. Actual days we are having 400 divided by 8,000. Put it into formula. Okay. Actual days 8,000 into 8,400 into 20 into 22. The actual के साथ actual को multiply 84 into 22 into 0.9. 8,000 into 1 into 20. It will be given in the question also. Solution also. Okay. It into formula, you'll get the sum. I would say please leave this question as it is not going to come in your exam, because it is like when you solve all the question. Manjari, if you will solve all the question 21, 22, 23, this is an critical one. This is very easy one, but having lots of multiple calculation. So it will be clear. Sale variance is very easy. Sale volume is also very easy. Like material, you can do sale variance, and like profit, you can solve this sale volume variance. 21, 22, 23, please leave these questions. These all are, I know, difficult one, but actually this is not difficult one. It is mathematically little bit tough. Please leave these question 21 onwards, please leave. Take 19 and solve this. SP minus AP, AP. You'll solve this. Same as material costing you'll do. There is no difference of material and sales. Great. So I'll taking 5 minutes more. I'm giving you 5 minutes more. You can ask any question to me, or standard costing is over from my. What? Shivangi? Eight 48. Ma'am, in sum 9, we are taking the after loss value for SQ calculation. 9. Yes. Where see what? Mini Manjari? Talking about this question, right? Okay. 107 and 214. Okay. 100 divided by 700. AB का distribution. Right. AB का distribution होगा क्योंकि given in this question. This is back actually ये 700 from that there only. Okay, fine. Now we are doing this problem. Chemical. Chemical. Anyone can please tell me the question number? Yeah, right. Requirement. Material requirement. This you are talking about 44 and 11. So you're talking about this, Shivangi? 4 and 11. Anyone can help in this? 55 into 80%. 55. Shivangi, are you getting this or I need to explain it? 55 into 20%, 80 and 20% ratio is there for 44 and 11. For 105 and 105, there is a 50% and 50% given. 80 and 20, 55, 55, 80, 20. कहाँ से आया अगर ये 55 is this, 210 is this. So 80, 20 of this and 210, 50, 50 is this. Shivangi, is it clear? Yes, very nice. There is no doubt anymore. So I'm taking leave today, 7 minutes before. Okay, everyone? Okay, no doubt, leave, learning curve. This you can read by your own, Ram Chaudhary. Email ID. ICI, can I share with them? Without they can contact NIRC. Okay, you please, student, please contact with NIRC at ICMI. There you will get my detail. And that this. Okay, fine, ICI. I won't be able to share this because it's us, and we have a limitation as we have a limiting factor here. So thank you for understanding, Ashu. Okay, great. ICI, do we have any more doubt? No issue. Naman, thank you, Archana. Thank you, Ash. Thank you, Shivangi.